Yoo-hoo! We made it! 500 subscribers! It's all because of you. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I'm so happy. I'm super excited. Thank you so much. This video is just a video to show my appreciation to you, my wonderful subscribers, and this beautiful family. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you. Please continue to watch my videos. But there's something I need to tell you guys. A lot of you view my videos, you watch the videos, you get values, but you don't like it. You don't click on the like. You don't drop a comment. Please do that. And also, if you haven't subscribed to this wonderful family, please do not hesitate to smash that red subscribe button down below. If you don't know where it is, below this video, just look down by your left, or is it by your right? Just look down. You will see the red subscribe button. Please subscribe to this channel so that as we crawl and grow gradually, I'll get monetized all because of you. And also, I'll do wonderful videos like I have always done. I'll go extra miles to create beautiful content just for you, my wonderful subscribers. So please, if you haven't subscribed, please do that to support me, and always watch my videos. Click on the like button, share and comment. If you also want me to film anything at all, leave it in the comment section. When I see it, I will think about it and film a video on that, because I'm here to serve you. Alright, so please do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. We made it. I will continue to grow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.